1.2-kilometer-long Boulevard World was inaugurated on November 21, 2022, as part of Riyadh Season 2022, with 10 pavilions and more than 120 activities, which made it the largest zone in the Riyadh Season 2022. The Boulevard World features pavilions of 10 major countries, representing diversities from all over the world. Each pavilion takes visitors to a specific country and let them have a mesmerizing tourist experience in each area. Every country will have its distinctive music, architecture, and authentic food to complete the visit. The countries that are featured in the Boulevard World are the United States, France, Italy, Morocco, Greece, India, China, Japan, Spain, and Mexico. In addition to this, the Boulevard World is giving visitors the opportunity to experience several international cultures through more than 120 activities, apart from dancing, fantasy paintings, captivating games, and an array of restaurants and cafes. Boulevard World welcomes its visitors to 18 diverse regions, including the 10 country zones, in addition to the Superhero Zone, Combat Village, Fun Zone, The Planet, Ninja Warrior, Area 1515, and Boulevard Pier. With its distinctive adventures and unlimited suspense, Boulevard World represents a symbol of entertainment and a new pride for the Riyadh season, which put the world in the hands of its visitors, representing a reality that goes beyond imagination. Visitors experience colors of pleasure in a series of entertainment cities and a number of attractions that take their visitors to a dreamlike reality in amusement parks, cafes, and high-end stores that allow their visitors to taste the best food and shop among the finest products. As a result of a mixture of structural designs, international experiences in the field of architecture and engineering, in addition to antique sculptures, visitors to Boulevard World wander among the cultures of 10 civilizations, each with its own character, starting from design, through fashion, cafes and restaurants, to number of experiences and customs that represent the spirit of countries and their special values that distinguish them from others. The attractions in the new zone reach their climax through the man-made lake, the largest of its kind in the world, which represents the first water view in the heart of the capital city of Riyadh, with its berths for small boats and harbors that take visitors' imaginations to distant horizons that they used to go to before coming to them through Riyadh season. The zone targets all segments and age groups of visitors, families, and individuals to live experiences from around the world, moving between the magic of the East and the mystery of the West, the atmosphere of the North, and the mysteries of the South. Visitors witness in the skies the most powerful and joyful firework displays, which overlap with successive drone shows.